Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off battery saver in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to turn on or off battery saver, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply go ahead to your settings. Now once you're in settings, go to battery and here just scroll down, you might see battery saving. You just have to click on it and enable it. Once you have enabled, you have two different fees. The very first is standard battery saving, and the second is maximum battery saving. If you want to use standard, so you'll be able to use your apps, but it will protect for overheating and overusage, over CPU usage, over GB usage to protect your battery, or to protect your battery life, or to extend your battery life. So here you can also see some description that limit background network usage, syncing and location checking. You can also additional limits. So just go to settings option here and you can set additional limits from here. Now the second is maximum. Just select it, click on settings, and here you can see how much it works. It can completely block your apps. So you can see I have only settings, Play Store, messages, phone, and thus apps, just these apps to use. I cannot use any more app, or if you want to use a single app or some apps using this session, so just click on any app, click on this your unpause temporary option. It will unpause your app, but just temporarily. So you can access your app but temporarily, but not only for this session. If you re-enable your super battery saving or your ultimate battery saving, it will be disabled. So in this way, you can easily turn on or off your battery saving. Just to turn it off, just go to your settings, go to battery, go to power saving, and completely disable this from here. So in this way, you can easily enable and disable your power saving mode and your Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.